Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Let's Understand course. This is our first lesson. Some housekeeping rules as already mentioned, just a reminder, keep your mics muted and only open them when you want to say something or when the teacher wants to interact with you. And keep your videos closed as well. One thing I will like to add to what Brother Abdul Khalik was saying earlier about this class is please don't jump to a conclusion. Obviously, everybody will be, especially the new students, you will be evaluating this class as well, especially for the first few classes. That is this a class for you? Is this a class you want to continue and be part of? So the first few classes, you will be thinking about this class or evaluating, I should say, to see if this is something you want to continue with. So what I'm trying to say is over here is don't jump to a conclusion after first couple of classes. Give it a more chance, at least 4 or 5 weekends. You should spend with this class before you make a call that you want to continue or this is something you don't want to be part of. I hope and I pray that you will remain, all of us will remain part of this class. Yeah, so with this, we'll inshallah, this is the first class. So just a few minor things that we will learn today to start off, to kick off this course, inshallah. So this is the first lesson, and the first thing I'm gonna let you know or teach you is that there are 3 types of words in Quran. So whenever you see a word of Quran, it will fall under one of these 3 categories. And what they are ism. In English, you can say noun, fail or verb, and harf or particle. So the first lesson, the first thing, if you don't know these terms already, your first homework for today is by next class, you should know these 3 terms: ism, fail, and harf. Ism, fail, and harf. I mean, you can also say noun, verb, and particle, but for this class, we would prefer to use the Arabic terms, ism, fail, and harf. So whenever you see a word in Quran, it will be either ism, or fail, or harf. So now we will look at the definition of these terms. What do they really mean? So what is an ism? Ism is a name of a person, place, or thing. It could also be a pronoun, adjective, adverb. And there are some other things that can fall under the category of ism as well. Many of you, I believe, are already aware of this definition. But if you are not, then this is something you need to know. Inshallah, we will expand on it later. What is fail? Fail is a word which tells us about an action. So it will have an action in it. And there will be also a tense in that word when the word is fail. So either will be past tense, it will be telling us something which happened in the past, or something which is happening in the present, or something that will happen in the future. So that kind of word is called fail. And the last word or last type of word that I would like to introduce you to is called harf, as I said before. And the definition is Harf gives incomplete meaning unless followed by another word. For example, in, to in English, in, to, on, at, etc. For example, to further expand on the harf, for example, if somebody asks you, where are you going? Somebody asks you where you are going, and you say to. You just say to, and don't say anything after that. It doesn't mean anything. The other person did not really understand where you are actually are going. So you just said a harf. So you have to say, for example, I repeat the question. Somebody asks you where you are going, and you say to the masjid. Now it makes sense because you added something after the harf. So words like these, they are called harf, and they don't give a complete meaning unless they are followed by another word, as I mentioned. All right. So again, as I said, memorize these three terms. Inshallah, we will be using these three terms very often during the whole course. So if you memorize them now, they are out of the way, something you know now, and it will be inshallah useful all the way along. All right, so let's move on. I have a sentence in front of you. Khalid is the name of a person, went to school. So we are starting with something we already know. It's an English sentence. We know English, right? So we're starting with English, something we already know, and then inshallah we transition into Arabic. So the exercise we are going to do today, it's a very simple exercise. We want to label the different words in this sentence. And we want to label them like which word is an ism, which word is a fail, and which word is a harf. So the ism will be name of a person, place, or thing, or a pronoun, adjective, adverb, and words like this. And the fail will have an action in it, as I said before. It will have a tense, like it will also tell you, is this action happening in past, present, and future? And the harf, as I said before, it's a word that gives incomplete meaning. So now we are going to label this sentence. Khalid went to school. And for this, I need an assistance from the participants. So is there a volunteer who wants to, from the new students, inshallah?
Yeah, there is a student, his name is Mohammed, and he wants to say something. You can ask Shabazz bhai.
I'm sorry. First of all, don't name your iPad. iPad doesn't mean anything to me. So if you could change it to your own name so I know whom I'm speaking to.
Okay, I will change after this class, and the participant name is Mohammed.
All right, Muhammad. Muhammad, can I talk to you now?
Yes.
All right.
All right.
So can you read the sentence to me?
Okay. Khalid went to school.
All right. So Muhammad, I have the question for you. What is Khalid? Is it ism, fail, or harf? What do you think?
Ism,
Ism. Why it is ism, Muhammad?
because it's a person name.
It's the name of a person. Very good. Very good job. Excellent. Thank you for your help. I need another volunteer. Somebody different. Tanjeen, I won't come to...
I have my brother Turhan with me.
Okay. What's your brother's name, Tanjeen?
Turhan.
Tarhan. Okay. Tarhan, what about went? What is it? Is it ism, fail, or harf? What do you think? Tarhan?
Fail.
You don't sound very convincing. Are you sure? Why
Yeah.
you say it is a fail? Tell me the reason. You're right, it is a fail, but you have to tell me the reason too. Brother Absar, may I ask you about the next word, went? Is it
Yes,
ism,
it is
fail, or
fail.
harf?
Yeah, it is fail because there is something is getting done. Went, yeah. So
Yeah, there
he's
is
going to.
action in it. Yeah, you're right.
Mhm.
You're right. Thank you, Brother Absar. So went is a fail, as Brother Absar told us, because it has action in it. So action of going is in this word went, and it is past tense. It has a tense in it too, right? Went is for past. So yeah, you're right, Brother Absar. Went is a fail. So the next word in this sentence is to. Muhammad Rashid Aziz.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Yeah, two is harf.
To is a harf. Very good. Thank you, Brother Rashid. Jazakallah khairan.
Yeah.
Zulkifl Hikmah. School.
School it will be ism because madrasatun the madrasatun have a tanwin, so they will be school.
You said it is an ism. It is the right answer. So the explanation will be, or the reason will be, it is a name of a place. Right, Zulkifl?
Yeah, that's all
Yeah.
right.
It's the name of a place, and that is why it is ism. So simple exercise. Khalid is a name of a person, ism. Went has an action in it, fail. To is a harf, as we discussed before. And school is an ism because it is a name of a place. Simple exercise, huh? Okay, we have another sentence. We're going to do the same thing. So if you have participated, please bring your hand down so I know, unless you have a question, huh? So I need more volunteers. Okay, Nabil Khan, can you read the sentence first, please?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. The sentence is Fatima ate chocolate in a park.
Fatima
And I think
ate chocolate in a
in a
park.
park.
Very
Yes.
good. First word is Fatima. What is it, Brother Nabil?
I think so. It's ism because
It is
it's
an
a name
ism.
of a person. Yes.
It's the name of a person. Good job. Thank you, Brother Nabil. Sister Rubina. Eight.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Eight is a verb. It's a fail.
It's a fail, huh?
Fail. Yeah, fail.
Yeah, I mean, it's a verb. We can say that too. But as I said before, we would prefer to use the Arabic term, fail.
Sure. Okay, it's a fail.
Why you say it is a fail?
Because it's action happening.
Yes, exactly. Eating is an action, right? So
Yeah.
is it present or past or future? What do you think?
It's past.
It's past. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sister Rubina. Hafiz Talha. Next word, chocolate.
This not with the
Yeah.
Hmm?
Chocolate?
There is an echo here for some reason. You have two devices. All right, I have to go to somebody else. I cannot hear you really well. Any other volunteer? Kafiluddin Sayyid, Brother Kafiluddin. Chocolate.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Chocolate is an ism.
Why?
It's a Chocolate is an ism, right?
You're right. It's correct. It is an
Yeah.
ism, but you have to give me a reason why you call it ism.
Oh, it's a
It's a
thing.
name of
That's
a,
why it's a thing. Chocolate is a
yeah,
thing.
yeah, name
That's
of
why
a
it's an ism.
person, place, or thing.
Thing.
Yeah, you see where my cursor is? Thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a thing, so that's why it is ism. Very
Ism.
good. Very good. Any other volunteer? Otherwise, I have to just start saying names then. Hiba, go ahead. In.
In is a harf
Why?
because if you don't say without any other words, then it won't make any sense.
Exactly. All right. Harf. Good job. Thank you. Abdullah Abrar. A park. I'm sorry.
It's
It's an ism. Why?
Name of a place.
Name of a place. Yeah. All right. Simple as that. Simple as that. Thank you, Abrar. Thank you, Abdullah. So we will just maybe do 1% at a time for the whole sentence now, because now we know what we are talking about. More volunteers. If you want to raise your hand, that will be great. Brother Asad, can you read the sentence?
Go, Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum. Read it.
Assalamu alaikum.
Go
Read.
ahead, read the sentence.
Haris ate ice cream at school happily.
What's your name?
Muhammad.
Muhammad. Muhammad, what is Haris? Ism, fail, or harf?
Ism.
Ism, why?
Because it's a name of a person.
Okay, all right, good job. What is 8?
8 is a fair.
Ice cream.
Ism.
Why?
Because it's
Name of a
name of a thing.
thing. At
Harf.
school.
Ism.
Happily. Yeah, this is a tough one. Can this be a fail? No. Can this be a harf? No.
No.
If this cannot be a fail or harf, then it has to be an ism. So it's describing the condition in which somebody is, in which Haris is, right? So this is also a
Ism.
ism. Exactly. Thank you, Muhammad. All right. We have Maryam Batul with us. Next sentence. Can you please read it? Oh, Maryam, you had your hand up. So can you unmute yourself and read the sentence, please? No? Okay. Hafiz Talha, you want to try again? It didn't work last time really well.
Yeah, brother Omar will be answering about me.
Okay, Umar, go ahead. Read the sentence.
Kulsum live in a beautiful house.
What is Kulsum? Ism, fail, or harf?
This is Ism.
Very good. Lives, sorry. Lives.
Verb.
In.
Particle.
Say harf. Huh?
Harf.
Beautiful. A beautiful.
Harf.
No.
Beautiful.
This describes the quality of something, huh? This is adjective. So it will be under fall under what?
Ism.
Ism. House.
House. Ism.
Why house is an ism?
Because ism is name, place, or thing.
All right, good. Thank you. Good job. Thank you. All right, one more sentence. Muhammad Irfan Amin.
Babar goes to his school in a bus.
Babar.
Babar is an ism.
Goes.
Goes is fi'l.
To.
To is harf.
Is.
His is ism.
Why?
Because it's a pronoun.
Pronoun. Good job. School.
School is ism.
In.
In is harf.
Bus. A bus.
A bus is ism.
Ism. It's a name of a thing. Good job. Good job, Muhammad Irfan Amin. Thank you. So now, last thing we will do in this class today, we switch to or transition to Arabic now. Inshallah, it won't be difficult. Still will be easy. I promise you. Because that is my job. My job is to make things easy for you. And if I'm not doing that, I'm not doing my job. So I will try my best to make things easy for you. Now we are going to read Arabic. And for your help, I have given the English translation in brackets just below the word. So to help you label these words in this sentence. So if you have participated, then I would request you to lower your hand, inshallah. More volunteers. Okay. Maryam Batul, would you unmute yourself and read the Wa alaikum assalam. Can you please read the Arabic?
نعم. زيد ذهب إلى المسجد.
إلى المسجد. Very good. So I have given the meanings of individual words just below them. So Zaid is the name of a person. Zahaba means went. Ila means towards. Al-Masjid is the masjid, obviously. Can you label? What is Zaid? Ism,
زيد is اسم.
Ism, very good. Next word. Next word, Maryam. No? Okay. Brother Mia Hamid.
ذهب is fail.
Zahaba is fail. Yeah, I would expect you to do the complete sentence, huh? Stay with me, Maryam.
Okay.
So Zahaba, what did you say about Zahaba?
Fail.
All right. Ila.
إلى حرف.
Keep going.
المسجد اسم.
Al-Masjid is ism. Why Al-Masjid is an ism?
Because it is a name of a place.
Name of a place. Good job. Thank you. Thank you for your help. And one more and then we are done. Inshallah, done for today. Isa. Brother Isa Hassan. Can you read the Arabic?
Assalamualaikum. Fatimatu akaltu fil baiti.
Akalat fil baiti. Huh? Read it again. Please.
Fatimatu akallat fil baiti.
Yeah, akalat. So what is Fatima?
Ism.
Why?
Because it's a name of a person.
All right. Akalat.
Fail.
Fi.
Party harf.
Say harf.
Harf.
Harf. Yeah, we would prefer to say the Arabic terms. And al-bayt.
Ism. Ism.
Why it is an ism?
Because it's a name of a place.
All right. Good. Thank you. So that's where I will stop. So what's the homework for today? Memorize these three terms with their definitions. Ism, fail, and harf. Simple stuff, huh? So that's where I will stop. And today's lesson, hopefully it wasn't too hard as a start. And we did learn, hopefully we were able to learn something new. So that's it for today's lesson. As brother Abdul Khalik was saying, we will stay around 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever is needed after the class. If there are more questions or comments, we will have time for that. But for the class portion, we are done with this lesson. Thank you very much for your attention. Jazakumullah khairan.